Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, your daily dose of crypto news and insights. Today we're talking about a bombshell statement from Michael Saylor that's got everyone buzzing. He claims Berkshire Hathaway is the Bitcoin of the 20th century. That's right, folks. Warren Buffett's legendary investment firm has been compared to the king of cryptocurrencies. But let's dive deeper into what makes this comparison so interesting. Michael Saylor made this statement on May 3rd during Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder meeting in Nebraska. Just a day later, Warren Buffett announced that he plans to step down as CEO by year's end, handing the reins over to Vice Chairman Greg Abel. This move marks the end of an era for one of the most iconic figures in global finance. Now, you might be wondering what Berkshire Hathaway's investment strategy is all about. Well, under Warren Buffett's leadership, the company has transformed into a $1.1 trillion conglomerate with a focus on disciplined, long-term investing. But what does this have to do with Bitcoin? According to Saylor, Berkshire's approach to diversifying its portfolio and avoiding assets tied to collapsing currencies makes it similar to how Bitcoin operates. Warren Buffett himself explained during the meeting that they wouldn't want to own anything that he thought was in a currency that was going to hell. This is essentially the same strategy used by Bitcoin investors, who buy and hold onto the cryptocurrency despite its volatility. But let's not forget, Warren Buffett has long been a vocal critic of Bitcoin and other crypto assets, famously calling it, probably rat poison squared. Despite this skepticism, Berkshire Hathaway's stock has largely underperformed Bitcoin in percentage terms since 2020. Bitcoin has delivered gains of over 780% during that time, while Berkshire's stock has only seen about 150% growth. So why is Saylor making the comparison? Well, it's likely because both Berkshire and Bitcoin are about diversification and long-term investing. But here's the thing, Berkshire Hathaway does have some indirect exposure to the crypto space through its portfolio companies. For instance, they hold a sizable stake in Bank of America, which has invested in multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs. And they've also invested over $1 billion in New Holdings, a Brazilian digital bank that operates a crypto platform. Now, let's talk about what this means for investors. If you're looking to get into the crypto space but don't know where to start, taking inspiration from Warren Buffett's investment approach might be a good place to begin. Focus on long-term growth and diversification rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits. In conclusion, Michael Saylor's statement that Berkshire Hathaway is the Bitcoin of the 20th century is certainly eye-catching. But it raises some interesting questions about the similarities between traditional investing and cryptocurrency. Whether or not you agree with Warren Buffett's views on crypto, one thing is clear. Both Berkshire Hathaway and Bitcoin are all about diversification and long-term growth. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Bitcoin Bulletin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more news and insights on the world of cryptocurrency.